All of ya! You're so tough now, are you?
Give the fucking stuff back,
Nothing in here. Nothing. That's more like it, Reggie, please. Hey? Hey, bit of respect. Don't hurt, does it? Hey? I have shit bigger turds.
Please, water.
We want some water? Look at that, gents. It's only begging for water. What do you make of it now, eh, you famous Reggie fucking Cray? Begging for fucking water. What does it come to? Hey, old Reg. Now don't spill it, because you've had a little tumble, haven't you? Here it is. Oh. Good boy. Here he is, look. Look at this. Reggie Cray. Begging for fucking water.